called Canon in F major. It opens with the first violin playing a slow, simple melody. One by one, the other instruments join in, each taking a turn with the melody. The variations on the melody become more complex with each successive instrument, with the viola coming in last. The viola has the longest and most complex part. It's not until the entrance of the viola that all four parts are playing together at the same time. Just before the end of the piece, the instruments gradually drop out, leaving only the viola. Then they all come back together for the